1.
Graduation isn't just about receiving a certificate. It's about saying goodbye to a place that shaped who we are. Celebrating friendships and carrying unforgettable memories into a brand new chapter. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how I created this cinematic graduation film from start to finish using Filmora. Let's jump right in. Firstly, open Filmora. Now, import all files here. Then, add it to timeline. You can add some clips from stock media, like this.
3, 2, 1.
And that's when he realized.
Here, organizing our media. That makes the editing process much better. In next step, we will add transition. In transition, I am searching here, graduation glow transition. And just apply this transition.
And that's when he realized.
Next one is ghost glow transition. Next one is flash pull. Now come to effect section. Here we will apply graduation effect like this. After that, come to title section. And here, I am searching Blackboard. Now, we will apply some titles. Just watch carefully.
And that's when he realized.
Now we are adding some graduation stickers.
When he realized. When he realized.
After it, we are adding music into it. Now it's ready to export.